Hi guys, hope you all doing good and welcome back to my channel. Guys, आज का जो टॉपिक है इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक क्योंकि आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ऑन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ मॉडल्स वॉक एंड अ पेजेंट वॉक. So in this video I will be giving you quick tips and tricks on how to walk like a model and how to walk like a pageant boy. So जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, I started my career as a footballer. I used to love playing football. I played football for a good 10 years, but because of injuries, I had to stop football. Then I started modeling, and I modeled for a good 5 to 6 years, where I learned so many things, when it came to the whole fashion industry. और गाइज उसके बाद जो है आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग इनटू पैजेंट्स. सो मेरा फर्स्ट पैजेंट जो था वो है मिस्टर इंडिया इन 2017 वेयर आई वन मिस्टर इंडिया सुप्रा नेशनल. सो मुझे एक साल की ट्रेनिंग दी गई थी फ्रॉम 2017 to 18 एंड देन आई वेंट फॉर मिस्टर सुप्रा नेशनल इन पोलैंड इन 2018 which I won. So guys, I will be giving you a lot of tips and tricks on how to walk the ramp in modeling as well as pageant. So let's get started. So guys, let's start with modeling first. I will give you quick pointers on how to walk like a model. So guys, note down कर लेना. ठीक है, जो first point जो है वो है आपका body posture. Very important point in pageant, आपकी day to day life में, modeling में, हर जगह पे. Your body posture has to be straight. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, हमेशा स्ट्रेट होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू बेसिकली व्हेन यू वॉकिंग अ रैंप इज जस्ट रोल योर शोल्डर्स बिहाइंड. आपको शोल्डर्स जो है आपके पीछे रोल करने हैं बस. सो व्हेन यू रोल योर शोल्डर्स बिहाइंड, आपकी चेस्ट जो है अपने आप पॉप आउट हो जाएगी और आपका पॉस्चर स्ट्रेट हो जाएगा. सेकेंड इज योर हेड पोजिशन. आपकी हेड पोजिशन जो है वो स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए. ओके, देयर बी योर मेन कैमरा ऑलवेज ऑन द रैंप राइट इन द मिडल. तो आपको उसमें देखना है विदाउट एनी डिस्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, ऑन द रैम्प. सो आपकी हेड पोजीशन स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए. थर्ड जो है आपके आर्म्स. सो आपके आर्म्स जो है दे हैव टू बी फॉलोइंग नेचुरली. देयर हैज टू बी अ नेचुरल फ्लो होना चाहिए. सो इवन व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग, लेट योर आर्म्स गो विथ योर लेग्स. सो ऑपोजिट आर्म ऑपोजिट लेग्स एंड लेट देम गो इन अ नेचुरल फ्लो. स्टिफ मत रखो, रोबोट के जैसे मत चलो. फोर्थ पॉइंट जो है वो है गाइज आपके स्ट्राइड्स और योर स्टेप्स. मेक श्योर योर स्टेप्स आर नाइस एंड लॉन्ग. व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन योर स्ट्राइड्स आर नाइस एंड लॉन्ग, you look more confident. Guys, आपके पिक्चर्स बहुत अच्छे आते हैं. looks as if you're owning the ramp. And yes, with that comes the whole confidence part. उसके बाद जो है guys आपका turning, make sure turning is also very sharp. आप 4-5 steps वही पे मत लेना when you're turning. So you look straight and then you just turn with like 1 or 2 steps following with your other leg. So yes, these are the few pointers you need to keep in mind when you're walking on the ramp as a model. So जो भी मैंने pointers आपको अभी बताए हैं guys, you make sure that आप वो pointers हमेशा practice कर रहे हैं if you want to get into modeling, because क्या होगा कि with practice आप perfect बन जाओगे. मुझे भी होता था पहले, but then I practiced a lot. I had this slight slouch, लेकिन now my posture is very straight because I always practice. So yes guys, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing. So guys, अब हम लोग बात करेंगे on pageant walk. How pageant walk is different from the modeling walk. Guys, you need to keep in mind that when you're doing the model walk or when you're walking on a runway, you're always showcasing something else, correct? Like a product, an outfit, your shoes, your bag, jo bhi ho. But in a pageant, you're showcasing yourself. People come for a pageant to look at you, right? So you have to be so good and so confident that you can't let them take their eyes off you. This is how good you have to be. So guys, the next few pointers which I'll be telling you on pageants is very important for everyone who wants to go for Mr. India or any other pageant. So guys, save this video and share it amongst your friends, okay? So the next few pointers that I'll be saying will help you maybe just win a pageant, because they always say a nice pageant walk can win you a pageant. So guys, the first few pointers जो है वो same ही है, okay? Like you know, you want your chest out, shoulders rolled behind, neck position straight, arms moving in a natural flow. ये pointers जो है वो same ही है. I'll tell you the 2 pointers which are very important which you need to add when you're doing the pageant walk. First one is that you need to interact with the crowd, okay? With the audience that is there, you have to interact with them. When you're doing the model walk, you're looking very, you look very stern, you look very straight, and you just keep walking without smiling. But in a pageant, you have to interact with the audience. When you're walking, just mix around with them. Just have a nice smile when you're walking the ramp, right from the moment you enter. Okay, just keep interacting with them. Second and most important point is, you have to have a smile on your face. It's a must. So from the time you enter till you come back, you have to have that smile on your face. Smiling is very important when you're walking on a pageant stage or when you're doing the pageant walk. I'm telling you guys, if you can do that, it's a plus point. It can make you win a pageant, believe me, because smiling builds that whole a positive vibe around you, which people love. They will start cheering for you guys, believe me. Keep smiling on that stage you are. So guys, I hope in this video I made it clear the difference between a model walk and a pageant walk, because I have seen a lot of people do this mistake, coming from modeling to pageantry. They come on the ramp and on the stage, but they don't smile. Make sure you smile, make sure you interact with the audience. I made the same mistakes, and I don't want you to make the same mistake if you're going for Mr. India or any other pageant. So I hope this video helps you, and yes, if there are any questions, leave it in the comments, and yes, I will reply. Thank you so much for watching, and lots of love.